Bitcoin's recent nosedive has caused a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, and there's a lot of theories out there as to what is going on. In this video, it's what they are not telling you about this recent nosedive. It's time for you to buckle up. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I'm going to help you get one step closer to your financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button right now. Today's video, we're going to jump into not only the daily chart, but also the weekly chart and the 2-week chart, and especially the monthly chart. Wait till I show you what's happening on the monthly chart. But first, I want you to have the best year yet in 2022. You have one problem in crypto. You're not achieving the results you need. You know that, and I know that. It's time for you to put your foot down and act. This is your last chance. Your absolute last chance to lock in this massive discount. This will be the last day, the absolute last day. No sale for the next 9 months on our indicators and courses, the things that have changed so many lives around the world, and you're next. I want to help you in 2022 recover those losses, dominate your trades, and feel the joy of winning. CryptoCrewedUniversity.com. Go there right now. This is your last day to lock in this massive discount, or you're going to miss out on this discount and you won't be able to get it again. CryptoCrewedUniversity.com. This is the all-in-one bundle. Sign up right here. If you're on a budget, you can grab this one with crypto under 1K. You can sign up right here. That's indicators and alerts right to your phone. This is the all-in-one. Go right now. Put your foot down. You need it for 2022. Your family needs it. You deserve it. Let's get you signed up. You've been wanting to sign up for quite some time. Now, we're going to jump straight into the daily chart first. On the daily chart, the key thing that we've been watching is this 53 level. We need to regain that level. We have yet to regain that level. And in fact, we're back below the 200-day. On the RSI, on the daily, we had this long-term trend since October with resistance back here with resistance in December. And we just broke through it. We're going to see how we react to it in the coming days. MACD, we had a cross up. We're having some trouble with the MACD, and we've been waiting for that ADX and DI cross with the green to cross above the red. We have yet to get it on the daily chart. More importantly, on the weekly chart. The daily chart is where there's a lot of fluctuations. There's a lot of things that are false signals in the daily chart. There's substantially less false signals in the weekly chart. The weekly chart will give you a bigger picture. It'll keep you more calm. It'll keep you more focused on the core principles of trading. For example, we've been highly focused on the stochastic RSI. Why? It's our momentum. Okay, we want to know what's happening with our momentum, because if we have no momentum, the price can't rise. If the momentum is heading down, price falls. It's really simple. For example, we covered on November 8th, our stochastic RSI weekly crossed down. That's when we were at about $65,000, and we said, simply put, the prices will fall until we have a cross up. We just had a cross up. We covered it in our last video a few days ago. However, we're disciplined traders here. We're covering just the facts, and the facts are we have to confirm the signal. So we were looking at this 20 level. We needed to not only get across, but we needed to confirm above the 20 level in order for the signal to be official. It is yet to be official. RSI on the weekly is still bearish. Again, not our opinion, just the facts in the charts. If you zoom out for 10 years, whenever we're above this 57 level on the weekly, market's super bullish and price rises. You can see that here. Whenever we're below, we're in trouble. Generally bearish, bullish right now. Bearish. Still red in the MVT HV and still have yet to cross below that all-important 40 level. Price action is struggling with the 50-week. We will keep our eye on that. Now, let's go to the all-important quicksand. We entered our quicksand officially back here in December, and we spent all month of December inside of our quicksand. And again, a quick recap of quicksand. Anytime you enter this Gaussian channel, it acts as quicksand. You don't want to be in quicksand. Quicksand just pulls you down, and usually price action stays in here for an average of a year. Now, to people in the herd, that doesn't mean Bitcoin is going to be stuck in here for a year. It means that the facts in the charts are every time we've been in here, which we've had 5 data points, it's an average of 1 year. That's just a fact. It's not what I hope to happen or what I think might happen. I'm just presenting to you the facts. I'm reading the facts in the charts to you and presenting to you the knowledge that you need to know to make more sound decisions. But what I will say is this. What I've seen in comment sections is with this recent move in Bitcoin from at about 52K down here to at about 46, people freak out. People are like, oh my God, this 6% dump, this 7% dump. If you are not emotionally sound to deal with a 5 or 6 or 7 or 10% move in crypto, crypto's probably not for you. Just to be completely honest, this is not the stock market. A 10% dump in the stock market is the end of the world. This is crypto. It's a different animal. And you got to get your big boy pants on. You got to get your big girl pants on. Otherwise, crypto is just not for you. What I would love for you to do is subconsciously and consciously be emotionally sound with a 20-25% move in either direction at any time. If you can emotionally be sound there, you'll make substantially better decisions. So this move is not horrific, okay? A little move like that is just a normal Tuesday for Bitcoin. So where our levels are right here with the 44K is our median line. The upper line right here acting as our resistance is at about 53. 53K is the important level that we're looking to achieve here. Once we get above 53K, which will happen at some point in the future, whether it's next year or the year after, at some point, Bitcoin's going to regain 53, and that's the level that we're watching at the moment, okay? So on the Gaussian channel, yeah, we're still in quicksand. That's a fact. Now, let's go to the 2-week chart. The 2-week chart is where we'll take another step back, look at the bigger picture, and get even more data. Again, less false signals in the 2-week chart than the weekly chart, okay? And then we're going to go to the monthly chart and wait till I show you what's happening in the monthly chart. So, 2-week chart. Really, really simply, if you're a Bitcoin bull, this is what you want to happen over the next few weeks. You need to hold 40K. Plain and simple, that's a critical market structure. Again, not our opinion, just look left. Look left, you see all the structure. It started forming all the way back in January of this year. It's a fact. 40K is pivotal. If we break that, we're in a lot more trouble than we are now. Now, if you're a Bitcoin bull, step number 1, hold 40K. Step number 2, a stochastic RSI cross with a confirmation on the 2-week chart. If we were to get that, that would be the most bullish thing to happen in several months for Bitcoin, okay? So right now, obviously our momentum is heading down on the 2-week. We want to see a reversal here while holding the 40K. If you're a Bitcoin bear and you want to buy Bitcoin at a lot cheaper prices, just hope for continued movement with our momentum down and a break of this 40K. It's that simple. Those are the simple terms that I want you to remember just based on the facts in the charts, okay? A breach of 40K while having our momentum still heading down would be not a fun ride that you want to be on. Now let's get to the monthly chart. This is where things start to get pretty interesting, right? We talked about the daily chart, a lot of false signals. We talked about the weekly chart, a lot less false signals, more concrete information. We talked about the 2-week chart, which is even stronger confirmation, less false signals, more big picture. The monthly chart is the king of this episode, right? We could go into the 2-month, the 3-month, and by the way, all of those months candles are closing tomorrow, including, you know, the 2-month, the 3-month, the 4-month, the 5-month, the 6-month, the 12-month. All of those are closing on the new year, right? So I'll leave you with the monthly chart. This is what I mentioned at the beginning of the episode, that wait till I show you what's happening on the monthly chart. And again, monthly chart, more big picture, more concrete information, less false signals. You get the gist. Peel your eyes down here to the bottom of the chart, the RSI on the monthly, right? Now, let's recap where we've been. Well, we had our pivot high up here at about 92. We came down, and in the month of August, we got rejection from our danger zone. You remember our danger zone? We've been talking about it for many months. We got rejection here, but we formed a higher low, and then we came back up into our danger zone, and we breached this level here momentarily, but got rejected heavily from the top of our danger zone. This was the level that if we confirmed above here as support, that's when we were supposed to go parabolic. And again, keeping level-headed, looking at the rules and the facts and the charts, we did not confirm up here. So there was no chance of us going parabolic according to the facts and the charts. We had looked to December to potentially be parabolic, but we needed confirmation. And again, some undisciplined traders will just say, oh my God, it's 1,000% certain November's going to be parabolic. No, the facts and the charts that we discussed on this channel, we had to get above here to confirm it. We actually got rejected from here. And then by the time that November finished, we actually breached this level here, which was the bottom of our danger zone. If you have a danger zone, what do you think is below the danger zone? It's substantially more danger, right? Now, to put things really simply, obviously we got rejected by here. We breached this level. What we've been talking about is this pivot low here back in June. We, for no uncertain terms, did not want to breach this. This would be pretty substantial. It would not be very friendly. It would not be very fun. What are we about to do? We're about to breach this level and we're about to close. So we close on New Year's Eve, and we do not, under any circumstance, want our monthly RSI on New Year's Eve close to be below 60. We do not want that. So that's what you see playing out in the RSI. The RSI gives us some hints and clues. Obviously, with this danger zone, you can see it clearly when you look at the 10-year history. Look at the danger zone structure here. It's the strongest structure in Bitcoin, period, when it comes to the monthly RSI. And we're about to break this pivot low here. So that means we had our low, we had our high, we had our higher low, we had our higher high, and then we took out all of this work that we've been putting in since June. We don't want to see that, but again, the facts are the facts. I just wanted to present them to you so you have them at your disposal. So we've got a lot going on. We'll keep you up to date. But the key is just to remain level-headed. Don't be a part of the herd. Don't be like, oh my God, it's a 5% move after Steve's video. I'm going to panic. A 5% move, if you're having trouble with it, crypto's not for you. You've got to get your big boy pants on. You've got to get your big girl pants on. And you have to remain level-headed. These moves are big in the stock market. If you're used to the stock market, this is a different animal. You have to have a different mindset for this animal in this game. And make no mistake, this is a game. You're playing a game, you want to earn more money. Guess what? Everyone else is playing this game and they want to earn more money. If you want to get the same results as them, do everything that they're doing. But you don't want their results. There's a reason why 90% of people will fail in trading. It's emotion driven. Humans are emotional animals. And we have trouble dealing with money with emotion because of greed, envy, jealousy, and it's mostly greed. But again, keep level-headed, remain level-headed, look at the facts and the charts, make sound decisions. And the best way to do it is education. Whether you take my courses or somebody else's courses, my courses are far superior to other courses on the market. But again, you can take other people's courses. You're more than likely going to come back and take my courses. And when you do, you'll have a structured strategy with sound rules, by the way, which we don't cover here, but it'll help you tremendously. You'll start achieving much better results. You'll have much less stress. There's so many people that are like, Steve, I can't believe I'm getting so much better sleep. I'm not waking up looking at my phone. I'm not waking up in the morning feeling so stressed out. I'm making sound decisions. I'm making far more wins. And this is what you need. This is what you need for the new year. And again, this is your absolute last chance. If you've been thinking about the courses over the past couple months or past couple years, this is your golden opportunity. The absolute golden opportunity right before the new year starts. Your last chance to get 75% off. You got to go sign up if you want to take this game seriously. If not, you're going to wind up like the herd. And I was the herd. When I was younger and I started trading, I got destroyed. My ego got in the way, and I really thought I knew what I was doing. I had no idea what I was doing. I just got beat up. I got kicked in the shorts so many times, and you're probably going through that. You can continue down that road, or you take my courses and you skip all of those ridiculous steps of getting punched in the face, kicked in the stomach. It's up to you. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. This is the one everybody's signing up to, the all-in-one. It's a game changer, hands down. I'll see you on the inside. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. Make it a great one. We're going to make it a great one together. Throw a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you're a student, I'm talking to you. If you're a student, comment down below right now what the courses did for you, what my courses did for you, what life was like before my courses and after. I can't wait to read your comment, especially if you've never commented before. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.